y'all bitch ass niggas. And these niggas getting on my nerves. They trying to kick me to the curb. But nigga, I get the last word, cause this niggas is real absurd. And go the highway. Y'all gotta go. Nigga today. Cause if y'all fucking keep coming on my spray. And they can't. No nigga. Had to get in my video though. And these niggas is out here acting like pretty pussy hoes. What the fuck? I don't give a motherfuck. I know that you like me. I like it too, but nigga, I'm kind of being kind of rude because niggas is getting on my nerves right now. They won't stop and it's hurt right now. Nigga hurt right now. Nigga, I know I am too right now. Let's get down. I'm not mad at you, so don't be mad at me. But if you're getting an attitude, then I'ma get one too. Stop it. Nigga, got you. Nigga, and I'm not talking about so stop it, nigga. Stop it, nigga. Don't be mad. Just let me get my shit out quick and then I won't be sad. So, nigga, be happy. Cause you with me. Cause I ain't with myself right now. So, nigga, fuck my health. Everything else. Nigga, oh my God, nigga, doing this shit for the belt. And I don't give a fuck. They do it for the wealth. But fuck that shit, you little ass bitch. I wouldn't give a fuck. Y'all ain't fucking shit. And nigga, let me think. Nigga, I'ma jump ship. Nigga, gotta go. Gotta go quick. Nigga, run. Oh shit, my nigga, I didn't know that I was so sick, but bitch, I'm thinking like a fucking sicko in the head. I'm about to pop that nigga with a pistol in his head. Nigga, what the fuck, man? You feel that hot ass lead? Nigga, if you fuck with me right now, I'm about to get off your bed, my nigga. You hear me rapping? You stop those clapping. Nigga wanna fuck with me right now, and it just fucking happened again. My nigga, when the fuck will I win, my nigga? Can you talk to your friends, my nigga? Cause I'm like Ren, my nigga. Stimpy in this bitch. Nigga, I don't give a fuck. Nigga, I'm trying to get off my anger right now, and you're trying to like kick it. And I'm maybe trying to stick it. All I want to do is stick it to this beat and nigga kick it in the streets. Nah, I'm kicking it with a G. He's like me. He's real freaky. Nigga, oh wee. But what the fuck? No, please, but fuck. No, please. He really gets mad easily at me because I'm like not doing what he want me to, cause nigga, I'm not sharp. But I'm sharp though. Not dark hoe. Lame hoes. Booty hoes. Lame goes, lame ways, lame lows, lame, and I'm on no dose. Nigga, no dose, no dose. Nigga, no sleep, no hoes. Bitch, I'm a slut. What nigga, what the fuck is you talking about money for right now? Cause I'm mad about some fucking money. Cause niggas act real funny when they got that fucking. Why the fuck is you mad at me? Right now, Eugene. My nigga, I don't give a fuck. I be like, peace. My nigga in the streets. Bitch, I don't give a fuck. Niggas got to weak. Niggas trying to keep me. No, nigga, please don't sleep me. Please don't eat me, nigga, cause I'm tired of all of you niggas. And y'all niggas is expired. I'm about to be a lesbian cause I can't win. With a nigga. No. Nigga, and I'm a silly hoe. But y'all is. Man, fuck y'all kids.